See here, yeah. This is how life is on this other end. Yeah, so it is Christmas preparation time, and the town itself. So please take a moment if you are joining this video at this point. Go back, watch from the beginning, and enjoy. Hey, beautiful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is a beautiful day. We have begun our video from this particular location, and I want to take this opportunity to welcome all of you to this video. Today I'm going to explore SUBIRTON, so let me board this bus you are seeing, and let's go to SUBIRTON, guys. Please give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. As I said, today we want to explore this area of SUBIRTON. So I've just alighted from the bus some few minutes ago, so I want us to have a walk around this beautiful town of SUBIRTON. Maybe we walk in the streets for the next 20 minutes and see how life is here. So I want to welcome you in a special way, to say thank you for stopping by to watch this video. And please, to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you a million times. Even if you are a returning subscriber and if you have not subscribed, I want to say thank you for always coming back. But kindly requesting you to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification button for more and more amazing content from this other part of UK. So walk with me as I walk around this beautiful town of SUBIRTON. Of course, it's not as big as Kingston, but I know it is amazing. As you can see, we have people walking in the streets, doing their businesses. We have hotels, we have different types of businesses which are being carried out here. So as you can see here, yeah, this is how life is on this other end of this world, as I can say. So in a special way, welcome to Kenyan UK YouTube channel. And this is me here saying thank you for coming, and always feel free to join this. Yeah, so it is Christmas preparation time, and you will see many people preparing for Christmas. You will see Christmas trees, you will see lights. And look at this house here. It is maybe one of the oldest houses we have. I'm not sure, but that is it. So let's walk down. I want to walk to the outskirts. In most cases, I do my videos. Of course, I walk in towns. I show you how life is in the towns, and also walk on the outskirts to show you from the other side of the town how it looks like. So today I just want to move around, and I will try as much as I can to cover as many things as possible. Yeah, so welcome once again to my YouTube channel. You can see people are here, and by the way, I thought it was very cold, but it is not very cold as it has been a few days. Look at this road. Look. Hey. It looks different. It looks beautiful. Yeah. So this is where I want to do my video. You can see the way it is beautiful, even the trees besides the road, they are shedding leaves, and they are making the beautification And I realized that this is one of the signatures. It is one of the common things. If you want to know that you are in Europe, you will see such a trees. Apart from these houses which you see, and apart from anything else, in most roads you will see we have street trees, we have such a houses, and it is one of the main indicators of Europe. I don't know where you are, what you usually use to identify yourselves. Yeah, but here that is the case, and this is me here for me. Yeah. So let's keep going. Look at the houses. Yeah. Everything looks good. So I need to wait here. So look at even this road, and we have another road on this other side. It is not even indicating. Yeah. So we have to wait for us to cross. It is taking a bit longer. So look at these trees. I feel like I should have walked along that lane, but let me go down here. One thing I've noted, the more I go away from the town, the more clear, less people in the streets. Yeah, we see Hong Kong house. Hong Kong. I see this is a gym area. Look. Yeah. Maybe one time I will enroll myself to be physically fit, to defend myself. Yeah. But guys, I want to take this opportunity to welcome you to my YouTube channel once again in a special way. I want to say thank you very much for always coming to watch my videos, to support my live streams and everything. You look at this house, it looks old, but so aesthetic, so nice. And the type of bricks which are used to make this house, they are very unique. Look at even this one here. Yeah? These are some of the things which make this particular country to be so beautiful, so unique, and special in its own way. So, and that's what I want to show you as I walk around. I know it is not easy for me to do these videos because I'm using my phone, and you find other people looking at you, what is this doing with the phone? But because I said I must show you, I must do it. So let's keep on walking. You can see the streets. That's where I'm coming from. Yeah, and this is me kindly requesting you, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell button on for you to be notified each and every minute I upload videos. So, as I said, today I'm taking you around SUBIRTON, and maybe somebody can ask, where is SUBIRTON? SUBIRTON is in West London, some few miles from central London, and it's not a big town, but it has different facilities. It has different warehouses, stores, and it hosts a good number of people. And I thought that today I'm gonna show you around, and this is where the videos started from. So welcome to the channel, subscribe. Yeah, look at the houses. Look, it looks nice. They look beautiful. So as we keep on moving around, enjoy the views and tell me in the comment section below, tell me what you think about this video. In case of any question you have, in case of anything you want to see from this other side of UK, West London to be specific, please feel free to interact with me in the comment section. And I want to say I really appreciate your support, and I'm looking forward always to show you around, to show you how life is, and to make you happy. So this is in Kenya, UK. Maybe some of you are asking, who is this? In Kenya, UK is I'm a Kenyan living in the UK, and I've done YouTube for some few days, not for long, some few months, and I'm really looking forward to show you the beauty of this of this part of London where I live. The side, as you can see, I'm just walking on the side of the road, and on the other side where you are seeing, we have River Kingston. That is the River Thames, one of the biggest rivers around here. So if you have not watched the video, please check on my channel. I have a video on River Thames, so please go check it, watch it, and enjoy. So I just want to walk further ahead, because if I continue going direct, I will not show you nice views, but I want to cut in so that I can go to the streets of Surbiton. Yeah. So this is the outskirt, but where I started my video from was from the town itself. So please take a moment, if you are joining this video at this point, go back, watch from the beginning, and enjoy. The views are amazing. The views are beautiful. So let me go in here. Yeah. Let me walk here. Of course, it is just an adventure. Look at the roads. The streets are clean. The organization. We have road, some grass, trees planted there, and a walkway. Yeah, so nice arrangement of the roads and everything. So please subscribe to the channel. Remember, this is in Kenya, UK, showing you live from this other side of the world. And in fact, I think I should show you something here. Look at the trees. They're looking amazing. Me, I just find it so aesthetic because of the trees, the way they are dry like this, and they are planted along the roads. So maybe you enjoyed the views. And for those who are wondering, why am I doing this video? I'm just doing this video to show you around, to entertain you. Yeah, because when somebody watches this video, there are those people who usually hear of London. They have never seen it. Me, I'm taking this opportunity to show you London on your screens, just to show you how beautiful it is, to motivate you, because there are those who are dreaming maybe one day, one time, to be on this side. At least it will give you the motivation to keep on dreaming, because dreams are valid. Yeah, so welcome to SUBIRTON, guys. As we walk, of course, I've never used this road, but because we call ourselves explorers, we are going to explore, and that is where I'm coming from. Yeah, Once again, I say welcome to my channel. Subscribe to this YouTube, watch this video to the end. Please give it a like and enjoy the views. Let's keep going. Let's keep moving. Let's keep enjoying. Yeah. I just enjoy doing this because I know there are people who are making happy. There are people who, when they see such a road, oh my God, this one looks cute. This one looks beautiful. Yeah? Look at this particular road here. Hey, with the trees. Yeah? So I hope as I'm walking up this route, I'm going back to where I started the video from. But if I don't go back there, no worries. We'll just keep on exploring, keep on enjoying the views. Yeah? But I know this town is small, I can't get lost. This one looks like a church. Yeah. Honestly, maybe it is a church, maybe it is not, but I've heard some music. Playing. That's, maybe I pass this particular area and I try my best to explain to you what I'm seeing, where I am. Yeah. So that is where I'm coming from. And you see, houses, they look manganyo. The houses look beautiful, so clean, so unique, so uniform. Hey, look at this street. Yeah. And that is the beauty I want to show you. Yeah. So let's keep on moving. Of course, this video is not going to be long. I've realized that nowadays people like short videos which are entertaining. So I'll stick to that. So let's keep going. I see one of the most famous banks, that is financial institutions, yeah, here, which is called Lloyd's. So I see one of the most famous coffee centers, which is called the Costa. And you see someone is carrying Christmas tree. Yeah. So this is where I started my video from. Yeah. You see, I've just come back from where I started my video from. But I know we have explored to some extent. Yeah. So guys, I want to say thank you very much for watching my video up to this point. I think I wound up the video, but keep on watching and yeah.